This is a demonstration of the BOP system. We will now log in as the user Agnes, who already has an account with the system. Upon login, the user is directed to the dashboard where they can see a summary of their finances, bills, recent bill payments, and stories. Stories will be explained in detail later on in the demo. All information is dynamically retrieved from the user's registered billing and finance accounts using web services. Registered accounts can be managed via the Manage Accounts tab. This user currently has 2 billing accounts with Apple Telecom and Banana Energy. She also has 2 financial service accounts with the Banjo Bank. Authentication of new accounts are done via web services. Most importantly, BOP allows different companies to use different forms of authentication. As you can see, Apple Telecom requires users to provide a PIN. We will not proceed with the authentication as the user has already added an Apple Telecom account. We can see now that the Pipe Bank requires users to provide a client number and password. So we will now proceed to register a Pipe savings account with BOP. This initial authentication process involves the establishment of a persistent federated ID between the service provider and BOP. The next time the user logs into BOP, no further authentication with Pipe Bank will be necessary. Through the Billing tab, we can see the outstanding bills of the current user. The actual bills are not stored in BOP, but accessed from the biller systems via web services. Billing providers can optionally support different formats of bills. For example, Apple Telecom supports HTML and PDF formats. Payment of bills also involves a web service call to the biller. We will now proceed paying this bill with a credit card. Other typical bill management operations, such as viewing old bills and payments, is also supported in BOP. Through the Finances tab, we can see the account balances of the current user. The figures are again retrieved via web service calls to the financial service provider. Typical internet banking operations such as transfers can also be performed.